brackets. I don't really think they get the recognition they deserve. They're just there in the background. It's like a hard-working background actor doing its job there, important job as well, while the lead actor gets all the glory and all the attention. Well, today I'm going to turn all of this around, because my headlight brackets are the lead actor of this story. While the headlight trying to steal all the attention, but it's not really the main character. This makes your head spin, I guess. Well, it will soon make sense. Let me show you. Oh, by the way, this is actually the second, or is it the third video in some kind of series. So please take a look at this video first, if you haven't seen it. Okay, you're still here? Okay, let me show you. Okay, I wanted to have this dramatic introduction, but I don't think I thought this really through. So it's too dark, I better turn on the lights. Yeah, better. Here you can see the bike from the side profile. Let me get you a bit closer. My main goal was to make the brackets so they didn't go across the fork here. So it's like I have this clean fork leg without interruptions. I'm really happy about that. The size, I think it's suitable. And also I am able to put the headlight as high or as low as I want. I have it pretty low now, and I think that is cool. From the side profile, it's nice. From the front, maybe it's a bit low. Let me show you. So, what do you think? Is it a bit too low? I have like open area here, but I think it's cool when it's low. I will have the fender, of course, here, and also I will have the splitter for the brake hoses under here. So maybe it will be a lot of stuff very low and this open area. But anyway, I can just move the headlight higher or lower, figuring out, so I have the flexibility. It's easier for me to show you how I built these brackets if I take off the headlight. So let me do that. And it is pretty simple. You just unscrew this 12mm bolt. And similar on the other side. This is how it looks like when the headlight is off. As you can see, I have a threaded steel rod here, so I can just move this nut. And then I can put this as high as I want. So this is the contraption. And I also, not sure if you can see it, but I added some heat shrink cable wire. And I can have even another one to make it a bit more sturdy. So this is supposed to protect it from rattling, having iron against iron. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. And one of the challenges I had, because I wanted to put the headlight very low, was my original bracket I made was like this. And it made the headlight crash into this part. So I made a cutout here, and that makes the headlight going flush against it, and I'm pretty happy with this design. It's almost a pity that it isn't visible when you have the headlight so low, because it covers this. Very nice bracket here. I love my brackets, as you know. Okay, so let me show you all the parts. This one is the bracket that goes in between of the forks on the lower triple T. And then I have two threaded holes here that goes quite close to the fork. And I think it ended up pretty nice. Also, the original one I made had the holes for the steel bars much closer into the center of the bike, so this was a prettier solution. This wasn't too hard to make. If you see my previous video where I made this one, you will see a similar job. Then we have the brackets for the headlight, and they just goes into here, and the other one of course goes into this one. Yeah, I think this is opposite. Yeah, of course, like this. And the upper part goes to the top triple T. So this is all, and then the headlights in the middle here. That's all. These pieces took a while to make, to get them straight, to get the size as I wanted them. A lot of trial and errors. My welding skills are mediocre at best, but none of these welds are really visible. I will add some body filler here and paint everything black, and I think that will be decent when it's all done. The top part here, I might slide on a tube or something to not make this so thin, so it will be like thicker. Or maybe I also considered to 3D print something in between here. Maybe with a logo, writing Honda here, or maybe have some LED lights for decoration, who knows. So, that's it. And these three brackets, I think I've been in the garage 3 days working on them. First attempt failed, took me a couple of days, and then the second attempt was a success in my eyes. Not 3 full days, but maybe between 2 or 3 full working days making these brackets to make them look decent. While buying the headlights took me 10 minutes, and yeah, it's a reasonable priced 6.5 inch standard headlight. I might want to upgrade them. The light beam wasn't very impressive. They are okay, they are LED lights, so they will do for now. Okay, next job will be this fender. Aftermarket fender. It doesn't fit, of course. Nothing what I buy really fits, so it needs modification. So I need to do something with this area here. Yeah, that will be the next job. Turn signals as well. Wonder if I will have them here somewhere or high. Let's see. That will be on the next video. Nice to be talking to you. See you later.